The iPhone 18 Pro is already building serious momentum, and this time, the buzz isn't just about what's inside the phone, it's about how it looks. More specifically, it's about a shade that might quietly become the most wanted finish of the year. A deep, rich dark gray. Not quite black, not quite graphite, something right in between. Clean, stealthy, and premium in a way that doesn't try too hard. The kind of color that instantly feels expensive the moment you see it. Now here's where things start getting interesting. A well-known Chinese leaker, Ice Universe, has shared a new image that gives us a fresh clue about Apple's direction. The image shows 4 camera plateau protection plates, basically the rings or covers that sit around the camera lenses. And the finishes on these? They line up almost perfectly with the latest color rumors surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. According to a recent report from Macworld, Apple is currently testing 4 color options for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max: light blue, dark cherry, dark gray, and silver. Now compare that with what Ice Universe posted. The plates are labeled black, silver, wine red, and blue. That's not a coincidence. Wine red clearly matches the rumored dark cherry finish. Blue connects directly to the light blue variant. Silver is exactly what you'd expect. But the most intriguing part here is the one labeled black, because it might not actually be black at all. Based on multiple leaks and insider chatter, Apple may not be offering a true black finish this year. Instead, what's being labeled as black in these accessory listings is most likely referring to that dark gray version, a deeper, more refined tone that feels more premium than standard black. And honestly, that could be a smart move. Black iPhones have always been safe. They're classic, no doubt, but also predictable. At this point, they don't really stand out. But a well-executed dark gray, that brings a completely different vibe. It gives you that same stealthy look, but with more character and depth. It's subtle, but it hits harder. Now before jumping to conclusions, there's something important to understand. The plates shown in the leaked image are not official Apple components. They're third-party camera covers accessories designed to match the expected finishes of upcoming devices. This isn't a direct factory leak, but it still matters. Accessory manufacturers often get early insights into upcoming designs and color trends, so they can prepare their products ahead of launch. And when multiple leaks start pointing in the same direction, it usually means there's at least some truth behind it. Adding to that, another leaker known as Instant Digital on Weibo has claimed that Apple won't be offering a true black color option on its next-generation Pro models this year. So if you're someone who always defaults to black, this might be the year you end up choosing something slightly different without actually stepping out of your comfort zone. Because that's exactly what this dark gray seems to offer. It's for people who like their tech minimal, clean, and non-flashy. The kind of finish that looks just as good on day one as it does months later. No gimmicks, no unnecessary shine, just a mature, premium aesthetic. And for people who avoid brighter colors or anything too eye-catching, this could easily become the go-to option. All of these colors, light blue, dark cherry, dark gray, and silver, are reportedly still in development. Nothing is finalized yet. Apple has enough time to tweak the shades, rename them, or even change the lineup entirely before launch. So while the dark gray is getting a lot of attention right now, it's not confirmed just yet. Still, if Apple sticks with this direction, it's actually a very balanced lineup. You've got something bold with dark cherry, something fresh with light blue, something timeless with silver, and then that perfectly understated dark gray sitting quietly as the most versatile option. The iPhone 18 Pro models are expected to launch this September, and they won't be alone. Apple is also rumored to unveil its first ever foldable iPhone at the same event. But here's the interesting contrast. While the Pro models might experiment with richer, more expressive colors, the foldable iPhone is expected to stick with more muted tones like silver, white, and indigo. So in a way, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup could be where Apple pushes a bit more creatively with finishes, while the foldable keeps things safe and minimal. Coming back to that dark gray though, if this leak turns out to be accurate, it might quietly dominate the entire lineup. Because not everyone wants a phone that screams for attention. Some people just want something that looks refined, feels premium, and stays relevant over time. And that's exactly what this shade seems to deliver. If Apple gets this right, this won't just be another color option, it could easily become the one people were waiting for all along.